miss again. I'm back to doing this for the third time in months. Today is my mother's birthday, and I'm supposed to do everything. Like stay down here, celebrate with her. Oh, this hurts so bad. I must have tripped out before on last year's birthday. I'm doing everything for her. Absolutely everything. No! This time, no more parts for this video. Oh, cool. Oh, something that was easy to suck up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's already fun. Ah, so. That's alright. I did everything. Wow. It was just a favor. A stupid favor I should have insulted, but I can't do it because today is my mom's birthday. So no more insults. And no more insults till it's over. And I should have mentioned yesterday that I got wrestling tonight. Because I'm a huge fan of WWE. And I never miss it. Although I missed it I missed it sometimes, but I'm still watching it on Mondays and Thursdays. And I don't want to miss it tonight. Just telling them. Hey, Jackie.
Thank you, Travis.
You're welcome, Mother. Oh, don't worry, Jax. It's just harmless. Don't worry, Jax. It's just harmless. It's not even on.
You don't look like you scared.
Just concerned.
Looking to see what you got. You know he's good and nosy.
So what are you doing?
Get this. Oh, nice, Bobby.
What?
I gave them pictures of you and they on the floor.
Who? Of course.
Supposed to put them in his wallet. If you didn't want them, that's all we had to say.
So, what are we doing today?
I don't know, babe. We gotta wait for this lady first. I can't do nothing until she comes.
So, it's your birthday.
I know it.
I wonder what's vibrating on your phone.
Facebook, people telling me happy birthday.
Probably my Facebook's gonna remind me that it's your birthday anyway.
Probably. Mercy. Okay.
I'm done. I gotta go get my phone. I gotta go get my phone from upstairs. I'm gonna go get my phone from upstairs. And so I can tell Mom happy birthday on Facebook again. I quit. I'm done.